Hello guys, how to fix if Google Chrome downloading a stuck in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and if you fail to download Google Chrome, then here are the fixes. And the first one is go to settings. We will change DNS settings, and there are two ways to change your DNS setting. The first, go through Windows settings, go to network and internet from the left side. Thereafter select your connections, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. We will choose Wi-Fi and click on your Wi-Fi connection and its properties. DNS server assignment, currently it is set as automatic. To change DNS settings, click on edit, and here edit network DNS settings, choose manual, enable internet protocol version 4 and enter preferred DNS and alternate DNS server. The one more way to proceed these settings through control panel. To do so, right click on a start button and choose run command box, and in run command box type ncpa.cpl command to open internet connection window, and here apply a double click on your network connections, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Apply a double click on it, its properties windows will open, and here select internet protocol version 4 TCP IPv4 and choose properties, and here make the check against option, use the following DNS server address, and preferred DNS server should be 8888 and alternate DNS server should be 8844, and finally click on OK to save the changes and check whether your error is resolved or not after changing DNS settings. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again launch run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key, and in run command box type ms configuration. Through system configuration windows will open. Here choose services from the top menu bar and make the check against box hide all Microsoft services. Thereafter choose disable all. After that, go to a startup from the top menu bar and open task manager, and startup apps will find out which startup apps is in enabled mode. Simply manually disable it, right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process one by one for all the enabled startup apps in your system. After that, close the windows and check your error will definitely resolved and Chrome will successfully download and install in your system.